I did 2 skulls instead of Jeff and Kelly. One of them didn't come out good. This one's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. Ooh, it's a little slippery. Oh, geez.
They got their tubes out. Whoa! Scared me.
I'm the silent killer.
is. Yeah, these paths aren't carved out yet, but
That's okay though. I don't want to be smart.
I do. Oh, look at that kid. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, you're not gonna go very far yet.
All right.
I think you're good.
Yeah.
They can get out of the way. They'll hear you coming.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Here I go.
Hold on. You want to play?
Nope.
Bye.
Bye. Shit, bro. Whoa. Yeah. Pretty far. That was good. You ready? Yeah. You go first. I'll go right behind you. Look at. What did you think of that?
I got buried.
You did. Let's see how buried you is. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh my god. Ah, you get frostbite. Ah. But survival of the fittest, right? You gotta survive, man. It's the end of the game. It's like life. Study's like life. Alright, I'm going because it's
Not
clear.
stupid, honey. She's 6. Like, she's 6. Come on.
She's not paying attention. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I survived. Yes. Thank you. What's her score?
Oh, 10.5.
Oh, you beat me.
Yeah.
I only got
Just
a
because
10.
she got that much further.
I know. Once you get our goggles in.
I got snow up my nose. Like up.
All right. Well,
Oh, getting it?
you call the ambulance.
That's not where you want to be right now.
Heads up. Heck yeah! Alright, you ready? Ah, they'll see us. Famous last words. You ready? Want to go first? Or? Yeah, that kid's bowling over here. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I'm going your way. Heads up.
Look out below.
That was good. You got good distance. I'll go first. I want to go backwards. Okay, I'm gone.
Where are you filming? Towards you?
Yeah, but I'll probably turn around. All right, go for it. All right, I'll favor you. You win every time. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's what you're talking about, the weight on the front.
Yeah.
Does not work at all.
No.
You gotta sit, lean back. Yep.
That's a good ramp. I might want to try that later.
Alright, good luck.
That ramp, yeah, people are taking it. It's nice.
I value my neck.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll video you like.
Want me to take over?
Yeah. All kinds of picture film right here. Yeah! Later!
Well inflated.
No! Yo! Yeah, these are nice. Yeah! I finally beat you. Because I'm cool. Whew! That was good. Slide to the right? Oh, doesn't matter anymore. We're going backwards now. Ready? Ready? Are you good?
I don't know.
Okay, here I go. You good?
Yeah.
Alright. Good. I'm done. Done. But anyways, yeah, like adult, kid, doesn't matter. Get out here. Like there's no reason not to.
Yeah, it's fun, and it's fun to watch other people too, and you get to see families having fun and kids. Like there's one guy, he's got a little girl, she's too little to really sled down the hill. So he's just kind of dragging her around in this little like sled chair, and she's just hanging out, like enjoying it, and he's just carting her around, and you know, everyone's just kind of like, oh, that's cute.
Oh, this guy's hauling. Oh, yeah, see, yeah, I bet you if there wasn't so much powder at the end,
Oh yeah.
you get these people would be going even further. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, get get on out. It's nice. It's nice. Get some gear. We need to get some goggles.
Yeah, there's parents up there that are like cheering their kids on and pushing them. And
Yeah. No, that
you
one
know,
kid.
they're not like, be careful or, you know, don't get hurt. They're just
Nope.
like, yeah, get it. And like, one mom up there was like, whoa, and her kid went like wicked far.
Mm-hmm. And she went real far.
Yeah, it was a good
God.
one. So, you know.
Yeah. Sugar's not dead. I'm telling you. Oh, it's getting nice here. Yeah.
Shake me out.
Another tip, get a big car. Look at that. Easy. End of story.